When using flexible metal conduit to run your branch circuit wiring, it's very important that you insulate the conductors from the sharp portion of the flexible metal conduit that you have cut to your desired length. In order to protect these wires, Garvin makes insulating bushings that can be snapped over the wiring, and they slide down inside the conduit, which creates a nice smooth barrier between the sharp edge of the conduit and the wires. This flexible metal conduit and wire combination is now ready to be installed on a connector. One of our most popular flexible metal conduit connectors is called a saddle connector. This ranges in size from 3/8 inch all the way up through 4 inch and fits on flexible metal conduit of those sizes. It comes complete with a saddle that screws down after you insert the flexible metal conduit into the connector. Tighten down the screw, which bites on the flexible metal conduit and provides the wires inside of the junction box or enclosure. We manufacture the saddle connector, as I said, 3/8 through 4 inches, in straight, 90-degree turn, or also a 45-degree turn. For these and other labor-saving products, visit us online at garvinindustries.com.